Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's February, it's not the warmest it's ever been. Well, we need something to warm us up, and now we're gonna make a cocktail. So we figured we're gonna do something like a tiki drink. But this tiki drink is gonna be great because it's got tequila, so it's a tequila tiki drink. I think that's a whole new classification. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, hit the like button. If you want to leave us a comment, leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see next, because we take that into consideration. So, without me saying a whole lot more, today's drink is called the Mexican Junglebird. Let's get pouring. We're going to take our shaker glass and we are going to first off put in there 1.5 ounces of Blanco tequila. Today we're using Ca. Pretty smooth, it's nice and tasty. And that is going to go in there. We're going to follow that up with a bitter. Today we're using Compari. And we are going to put 3/4 ounce of Compari in there. It's also going to give it a pretty neat orange color. I'm going to throw in some fresh fruit juices, because we know fresh is best. 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to put in there 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Once again, if you get fresh pineapple juice, you're not going to get anything better. Last ingredient going in there is agave nectar. This is going to sweeten it up, kind of knock some of that bitterness down, and we are going to put in there 1/2 ounce of agave. That goes in there. Now we're going to put some ice in there and give this a good shake. We're going to give this a good shake now, chill it down. Next, what we're going to do is take a old-fashioned glass. What I've done is I've rimmed it with some Himalayan salt. And we are going to get a large ice cube. That goes in the glass. We are now going to strain over that ice cube. Garnish is a pineapple wedge. That's going on the side of the glass. And a straw. And that is our Mexican Junglebird.